Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how I plan my week. If you're interested in planning topics, please continue to watch this video. Before we get started, a few benefits that I want to point it out of weekly planning. First thing, it will increase your productivity. It will help to stay on track with your goals. It might reduce stress, that if you have too many things to accomplish in one day, it might be stressful. So if you plan those tasks or to-dos ahead, you might eliminate that stress of unknowing or not knowing what to do. The other benefits of weekly planning is at the end of the day, once you cross few or all of the tasks that you plan, you will feel accomplishment, and it will help you prioritize important tasks over tasks that you might wait. So how I start my weekly planning. So today is Sunday, and this is my agenda that I plan. This is large agenda, Louis Vuitton. I did share my setup for 2021. All right, let's get started. I usually plan my weekly and monthly goals and to-dos and everything else in this Louis Vuitton large agenda. So I have other videos that I can link. I have other videos that you can see. I have setup video, and I have other videos that if you want to check it out about Louis Vuitton agenda. But this works for me. This is a ring agenda, so I can open and reshuffle those pages if I need to. But let's focus on the weekly planning, because this video is about weekly planning. So I'm gonna find my next week. So we are turning into December. This is December 2020. This is the how page look like in Louis Vuitton agenda. So I start with just kind of blank page, as you can see. There is nothing to. I put few stickers just to make it a little bit interesting, but besides that, the agenda comes, it's very blank pages, just dates, and if there is any holidays, and it's actually have those hours. I believe it's called like a military clock, but it's 8 a.m. until 9 p.m. I don't do this, I don't use the timing, because I just basically put all my tasks that I need to accomplish, or if important things I can just add on to the date that I needed to be accomplished. And let me show you how I do that. just a few things that you know, you might pick it up interesting, or you know, that I want to share. So a few things are that I want to share with you. See, maybe you will like it and implement it in your planning. But so I do track my time that I wake up, just to kind of see the pattern, and you know, see when that actually helps me to plan a week. Because if you know, if I wake up at 6, I can get more stuff done, versus if I wake up at 7, then you see I do actually start my regular work at 8, that I have less time to do, you know, other things that I planned for this day. So you kind of see the pattern. I do have my regular job, and it's 8 to 5. Pretty boring, so nothing interesting there. So I block the timing on each day, so you know, I can plan basically anything else besides work. So if I need to plan something work related, I can plan in, you know, those windows. I do have a different work calendar, but you know, in case I have to plan here, or you know, it's something important, I can add here as well. And then after work, I have few things. I put right here dinner, because I actually do make a dinner, so it eats up my time to make a dinner and plan. So here's, I have dinner, and then I can put you know, if I feel like it, or you know, if I have time, I can just put what I actually had for dinner each day. And then I put here $sign. That's how I track how much I spent per each day. And probably what I will do is, and in the end of each week, I kind of put some how much I spend a week. And if you see my previous videos about my new planner setup, I do have a tracker right here for monthly budget tracker. Next thing is I try to read a book right before bedtime, or right after I wake up. Depends on the season and you know, how I feel and stuff like that. So I put here read a book, and I have to finish this right here. And then I do work out every other day. So this is how I set up. This week is very light week, as you can see. Sometimes I have a busy weeks, and I do plan more heavy than just this, but I just want to show you an idea how you can plan your week ahead. And let's say on Monday you wake up and you already have pre-written plan for your week, and you don't have to memorize any of your tasks. You just, you know, look at your Monday, fill out, or you don't have to fill out, this is optional, what time you wake up, and just go with your, you know, flow. Do your work, make a dinner, work out, read a book, and just for you know, statistical, I guess, purposes, just to track your spending and your time that you wake up, just fill it out those fields, and it will help you analyze your timing, and it will help you to plan more productively for your next week or next month. So like you see here, I try to put, because I have on a weekend more time, I plan more heavily, but like I said, this week is a little bit light, on a lighter side. But you got an idea. So try to plan. It doesn't have to be Louis Vuitton planner. It can be just a regular planner. I can show you other planner that I had before. It worked well as well. It's just this Russell and Hazel, very you know, basic planner. I bought inserts at Target for like $1, and I guess $3 for this kind of you know, dividers. I think that's what I call. But you know, you can plan like this, so it's different planner, but idea is the same. So you just put, you know, what do you do on Monday, Tuesday, etc. Or if you don't like divided by a day, you can just find a blank page, or let's say you don't have a planner yet. Trying to find blank page here, so you just get any blank page like this one, a notes, and just put a, you know, list of things that you need to accomplish. Make a prioritization. Are they important? Are they less important? And at the end of a day or week, just see if what do you accomplish and how much you can actually get done in a day and in a week. So that will help you not overbook yourself. Again, if you like this video, please click like and subscribe for more planning videos. And if you have tips how you plan your day and it helps you to keep organized and reduce stress and be productive, please comment down below for people who might watch this video, and I'll check those out as well. So thank you for watching.